welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Savannah Smiles. So today we are doing something totally outside of my normal videos. Typically I do lifestyle content like vlogs, Q&As, showing you plants, showing you my cat, stuff like that. Today we are doing something totally different and totally outside of my comfort zone, and that is we went to McDonald's and got the Travis Scott meal. Hi, can I get the Travis Scott meal?
What's wrong?
Ketchup? Sure. Alright, perfect. Thank you. I haven't been to McDonald's in years. I mean, I didn't even know how to work a drive-thru properly when we went.
Did I move up now? Oh, okay.
Seriously, I don't even know how to work a drive-thru because that's how infrequently I go to fast food. So yeah, right now I am sitting in here. There is the Sprite right here and the bag right here, and I am so nervous. This smells awful to me. A few things to know before we get into this video is A, I've heard this has bacon on it. I haven't even opened it up and looked, but I don't even like bacon, so that'll be interesting. I saw that this came with a thing of barbecue sauce, so there's that. This comes with fries, I think, and a Sprite, which I've heard that the Sprite from McDonald's is better, so we will be testing that today because I actually do really like Sprite. I know, I still drink Sprite, but I don't go to fast foods. I'm not perfect, guys. All right, so let's get into this. So here we have the bag. So I can see in, looks like this. So that's something. So looking in from the top, we have something that says the Travis Scott. We have fries and we have a straw. So first, we are going to grab out this straw and we are going to try this Sprite. So let's put the bag back. I'm really excited. I'm going to start off with the thing I think I'm going to like the most, and that is going to be this is a paper straw. I'm really excited. We're going to be starting off with the thing I think I'm going to like the most, and that is the Sprite. Okay. So this Sprite definitely is different than a normal Sprite, I think. Okay, so I was right with the Sprite. It does taste like a normal Sprite, but it does kind of taste a little bit different too. I don't know if that's a legitimate thing, but it tastes good. I like it. I probably will still drink it after this video is over until it is empty. I don't really like that this came with a paper straw. I'm not as big of a fan of paper straws. I obviously know that they're better for the environment than the plastic straws, or so I've heard. However, I think bamboo straws would probably work better than paper straws because paper straws disintegrate so fast. And bamboo is naturally occurring. Anyways, I'm not going to go on about bamboo straws and how much I love them. Yeah, I mean, I'm not as big of a fan of the feel of this, but it's better than plastic straws and I totally get it too. All right, so let's grab the bag and go to the next part. I actually realized I was wrong right here. The last time I went to McDonald's was July 3rd and I got fries. I didn't really eat anything but fries because I know they have good fries. So I'm gonna save that part for last. We're next going to grab in here and pull out the thing that you all have been waiting for. And that is the thing labeled Travis Scott. And be careful about the fries. Oh, the fries spilt. The fries, they spilt. Yeah, so right here is the McDonald's burger. I think I'm holding it backwards. So here is that. First impressions, I haven't opened it up yet, but it does smell very burger-ish. It smells very greasy. This isn't a scent that I particularly like. However, I can see where it would be appealing. It's just this greasy smell to me never really has been a smell that I've been turned towards. I tend to be someone who likes the smell of sugar and really sweet things. I can see why people would like this. So I'm really interested to open this up and see what's inside. Okay, so ready? Ready for this? We're gonna open it up. And there it is. All right, so let's go over my impressions on this. The patty looks amazing. Lettuce, cheese. I can see it does have bacon, so we'll see how interesting that is. You guys will get to see my reaction. It looks like it has 2 layers of cheese in it. Yes, 2 layers of cheese. It looks like it has onions, pickles, and something that is that ketchup and mustard? Yes. Ketchup and mustard. I'm not a big fan of mustard either, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not a big fan of the American cheese either. It's kind of fake cheese to me. I see it as very plastic instead of normal cheese. I am definitely a Parmesan, Reggiano, mozzarella, just all sorts of Italian cheeses. So American cheese is a little insulting, although I do love cheddar cheese, and that is definitely very American. I'm not a big fan of actually American sliced cheese. All right, here comes the part that I am oh so nervous for. Let's take it out and let's take a bite. Oh, God. I'm really not gonna like this. Okay, first bite isn't too bad. Definitely the cheese was a little bit too thick in this spot. I'm gonna bite a few more spots than right here. Probably try to eat a piece of bacon because I actually haven't eaten bacon. Oh. Man, I don't like this. Okay. Okay. So, the bite I got didn't have any bacon in it. It had a little bit of pickle. The pickle was very good. The patty was very good. The cheese was way too thick and way too blubbery. I did not like that part of it at all. I thought that the patty was really, really well done if it wasn't coated in so much darn cheese. All right, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take a bite that actually has bacon in it. I have not eaten bacon in years, so let's take a second bite to kind of get a fair judgment of this. Oh. No. Yeah, so that's still out. I still don't like bacon. It was crispy at least, so it wasn't very blubbery, but yeah, so that would be a no for me. I still don't like bacon. My whole issue with bacon and ham, first and foremost, is it's really salty and I just don't like that. The patty still was great. There wasn't any cheese in this area, which was great. There was definitely a little bit more condiments in this area, which is great. I do really like the bun on this. I don't like bacon. I won't do it. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of this. If you like bacon and you like mustard, you'd probably really like this. And cheese. This cheese is just awful. I think this would be better if the onions were caramelized or if they had been sauteed. That's personally what I do. The thing with this is I really only like the pickles, the patty, and the bun. So not any of the things that are supposed to make this customized. For me, I make burgers all the time at home for Graham and I usually do the patty medium rare. I get brioche buns, I toast the buns, saute the onions, I add on guac instead of any condiments. I home make the guac, everything, and I really enjoy that. I don't like bacon. I don't like mustard, and I think this would be a lot better even if the bun on this was just toasted and the onions were sauteed. I think this would appeal to me a little bit more. I feel I'm so picky with burgers. I was just bound not to like this. If you're somebody though that really does not care about having a toasted bun, sauteed onions, and those like fancy burgers or whatever, you would love this, and especially if you like bacon. All right, and then finally we got them fries. I absolutely love McDonald's fries. It definitely is a vice of mine, so I'm sure that these are just the same as normal fries, but they're cold, darn it. I love fries though. Yeah, so last we got these fries here that I've already started eating, and I knew I'd like them. I love fries. So good. I'm gonna put that back in the bag and save it for later instead of you guys just watching me eat fries on camera. So here's my final thoughts on the fries. So the fries were absolutely just the standard McDonald's fries. However, I loved them. So here are my final thoughts on the Travis Scott meal at McDonald's. First of all, the Sprite was just a standard McDonald's Sprite. It does taste a little bit differently than normal Sprite, but I really enjoyed that. The second part of this, which was the Travis Scott burger, I think you would enjoy if you like the typical McDonald's burger. And if you love bacon, this is definitely the burger for you. I definitely did not hate it as much as I thought I would, but that's just a matter of opinion. And I probably have different taste buds than maybe you have, and so I definitely would encourage you to go out and try this on your own. For me personally though, will I finish this burger? No. But I'm also about to go make myself quinoa stir fry, so if that kind of shows you what my palate tends to be. Again, I just want to reiterate, you definitely should go out and try it for yourself. And then finally for the fries, they are McDonald's fries. They are some of the best fries. I absolutely love McDonald's fries. They were great. All right guys, that was the video. I know this is a little bit different than my typical content. Typically I'm more lifestyle instead of food review, but I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. And if you did, don't forget to smash the YouTube algorithm for the like button. Comment down below, let me know, have you tried it yet? Will you try it? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to see lifestyle based content in the future. And yeah, don't forget to end. Hey guys, so I was going to wrap up the video and then Graham wanted to come on camera and get his reaction to it, so I guess we are doing that now. It's now becoming couples mukbang here. Couples cheap mukbang. Mukbang?
Mukbang. Okay, I'm actually really excited for this.
The Sprite's just normal Sprite, and the fries are just normal fries, so that's what I enjoy.
I have not had McDonald's for like 2 months. This is a big deal for me.
That is true.
Let me try this out. Oh, I can't.
Okay, I'm gonna get the fries.
You only had 2 bites. Look at that. The whole thing.
I didn't like it.
Oh man. I promised myself I wasn't going to, but it's good.
By the way, if you watched to this point, all the B-roll shots of this, I had already taken 2 bites out of it. I just tried to cover it very cleverly.
It's delicious. What I like about this is the bacon, thick patty, or like that, cheese, lettuce.
So here's the real question.
Yeah.
I mentioned earlier that I make you burgers all the time. Whose burgers are better?
Your burger's better. Your burger's better. But McDonald's is close.
Thank you. So that was the video. I'm definitely going to finish these fries while I make dinner. But with that said, don't forget to end the video in the middle of the sentence.
I don't think you ended it in the middle of the sentence.